can't rely on a losing formula that offers only tax cuts as the answer to all our problems while ignoring our fundamental economic challenges, the crushing costs of healthcare, or the inadequate state of so many schools, our addiction to foreign oil, or our crumbling roads. I promised an economy run on clean, renewable energy that will create new American jobs, new American industries, and free us from the dangerous grip of foreign oil. These investments are not a wish list of priorities that I picked out of thin air. They're a central part of a comprehensive strategy to grow this economy by attacking the very problems that have dragged it down for too long. The high cost of healthcare and our dependence on foreign oil, our education deficit, and of energy that pollute our air and water and threaten our planet. The proliferation of the world's most dangerous weapons. It's a plan that will finally reduce our dangerous dependence on foreign oil and cap the carbon pollution that threatens our health and our climate. These costs are also hurting business, as some big businesses are at a competitive disadvantage with their foreign counterparts, and some small businesses are forced to cut benefits, drop coverage, or even lay off workers. For more than 3 decades, we've talked about our dependence on foreign oil. For the sake of our economy and our children, we must build on the historic bill passed by the House of Representatives and make clean energy the profitable kind of energy so that we can end our dependence on foreign oil and reclaim America's future. Leading the world in building a new clean energy economy with the potential to unleash a wave of innovation and economic growth while ending our dependence on foreign oil. And that even foreign corporations can now get into the... Under the bill Congress will consider, we'll make sure that foreign corporations and foreign nationals are restricted from spending money to influence American elections, just as they were in the past, even through U.S. subsidiaries. You don't know if it's a foreign-controlled corporation? Even foreign-controlled corporations seeking to influence our democracy are able to spend freely in order to swing an election toward a candidate they prefer. For decades, we've talked about the importance of ending our dependence on foreign oil and pursuing new kinds of energy like wind and solar power. But the truth is, drilling alone is not a real strategy to replace our dependence on foreign oil. And that's how we'll not only reduce the deficit, but also lower our dependence on foreign oil, grow our economy, and leave our children a safer planet. These are investments worth making. Investments that will save us money, reduce our dependence on foreign oil, and protect the health and safety of our planet. In 2010, our dependence on foreign oil was under 50% for the first time in more than a decade. Since I took office, America's dependence on foreign oil has decreased every single year. Because whether you're paying for a plane ticket or filling up your gas tank, technology that helps us get more miles to the gallon is one of the easiest ways to save money and reduce our dependence on foreign oil.